guys, so this is where we left it off. We now got the method that this user is bringing back to us. So now we just want to get all the query strings that this user might be giving back to us. So we can say const query strings is equal to request, not request, but then pass the URL dot query, right? So now let's just also send back, should I send this back? Because okay, let's just log this out. Let's just log query strings, right? So now what we do is I want to start up my node server, and then I want to say local. First I want to say curl, I want to say local host, and then 5000, and then a query string is a test is equals to max. We get that, and then look at that. So okay, so here's one thing that we want to avoid. We want to avoid having this in our path, right? So we're gonna fix that now, but then let's just look at this query string, and then here we go, we have that query string object, right? So now how do we then fix this thing? So let's just log out the path, the parsed URL, so that you guys can see how we go about this, right? So we say parsed URL. So it's always a good thing for me to show you guys so that you guys can also see everything. So let's just log that out as well. So now you can see the path, we are getting that entire path and the href. So now what we want is that path name right now, right? So that's what we want. So now let's switch path to path name, right? So now that's exactly what we want. So if we kill that, start that, and then have curl to rerun again, and then you can see the path now is fine. There's nothing that's stopping us, because when we deal with routes, we don't want to be handling like trimming things ourselves and everything. So now we know that we get a clean route. So let's just try this again. Let's say with localhost 5000 slash test slash mac, right, max. So right now I expect to see slash test slash max, and then as we can see, we see slash test slash max without this query strings, right? Now that's looking good by me. So now that's basically it for this video, guys. If you guys are liking this way that I'm handling these videos, sweet, short and precise, like, share and subscribe. We're building up slowly, but then definitely you guys will see it coming to life, right?